have game balls again.
Yes, and we have another GraviTrax. If you guessed it, you're right.
I don't know what the name is, but I can read so.
This is GraviTrax. The flip will, we have not unboxed it yet, so
yes. I don't know what's
together. Well, first, get a knife, and of course, be careful.
They should put more. And take it out.
Hey, trash in the trash can.
Yes, GraviTrax.
Yes, and the box opens
now.
And no. If you do it like this, then the things that inside can be broken.
Oh, can you see a giant?
It's a rope. Huh. Pretty cool.
Isn't it? It looks something like a house.
And of course, the tracks.
You see here?
That's how you make it.
Yes.
Well, come on. Hey, give me it.
And give it. And
let's see.
It looks cool.
Yeah.
I don't know if this flips something, but what I know is that I think this is very special.
Yep. Me too.
And this is how you do it. Look. This, if you see it like this, you click. You see? You click this again.
Okay. Anywho.
And how?
Well, we get this, and there's few more. You take one floor, replace it here, and then
I'll show you it closer.
Then we need a marble. What color you want? It doesn't have to be yellow. I mean, blue. So start the clip. Well, I hope you enjoy it.
And I'll start.
And I think it was going back. What about this? Well, I'll show you it again. I think it was something that was wrong. Or maybe that there was something wrong about this. Hey, Mom. It has to return back, but there's some polite reason what I'm kind of thinking about.
Yes.
That's weird. Maybe that was it. Well, but still, this is not the end of our GraviTrax channel. We have another GraviTrax that you'll enjoy most of all. The trampoline.
You love this channel and this.
The trampoline.
And the
GraviTrax. Well, you can check this trampoline out in our next video.
And we're leaving now.
And the game girls are leaving now.
Hey, bye.
Hey, bye. No, you guys just such a...